Hi friends, this is Anil. I have been preparing for UPSC exam from 8 months in analog. I am here to share a piece of information about my experience in analog. There is an entrance test called ASTRA to IELTS scholarship where you can get concession in your course fees based on your performance. Don't you think it's another push as you can assess yourself in the beginning of your preparation itself? And also there is another program called APPSC besides FU where one can practice answer writing every day along with MCQs. I think by practicing answers every day without missing definitely give an extra push on the final day when you sit for the exam. So think better and all the very best for your preparation. Thank you so much.